Francis Pancratius Kiko Nepomuceno Pangilinan, born August 24, 1963, is a Filipino politician, lawyer, and farmer who has served as a senator of the Philippines since 2025. He previously served as a senator from 2001 to 2013 and from 2016 to 2022. A graduate of the University of the Philippines College of Law and the Harvard Kennedy School, Pangilinan began his political career as the youngest elected member of the Quezon City Council, serving from 1988 to 1992, and later founded the National Movement of Young Legislators. He then worked as a television and radio host for ABS-CBN, notably co-hosting the public service program Hoy Gising. 1993 to 1997 as a legal expert. During his first to Senate terms, Pangilinan authored landmark legislation such as a juvenile justice law that has since been called the Pangilinan Law and an organic farming protection law. After serving as presidential assistant for food security and agricultural modernization under President Benigno Aquino III from 2014 to 2015, he returned to the Senate for a third term in 2016. Throughout his career, Pangilinan has strongly advocated for agriculture and food security, authoring the Organic Agriculture Act of 2010 and the Sajip Saka Act, or Save the Farm Act of 2019, both aimed at supporting small-scale farmers and modernizing agricultural productivity. Pangilinan served as president of the Liberal Party during his third Senate term from 2016 to 2022, emerging as a prominent opposition figure during the administration of President Rodrigo Duterte. He consistently criticized policies he viewed as undermining democratic institutions, including the war on drugs, attempts to reinstate the death penalty, and proposals for constitutional amendments that could extend term limits. In the 2022 national elections, Pangilinan ran for vice president as the running mate of Vice President Leni Robredo. He was defeated by Sara Duterte, the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte. He returned to media briefly in 2024, hosting public affairs programs focusing on agriculture and grassroots issues. Pangilinan was re-elected to the Senate in the 2025 elections, emphasizing food security and farmers' welfare in his campaign. He is married to actress and singer Sharon Cuneta, with whom he runs an organic family farm in Cavite. Francis Pancratius Nepomuceno Pangilinan was born on August 24, 1963, to Donato Tongal Pangilinan Jr., an engineer and entrepreneur from Pampanga, and Emma Monasterial Nepomuceno, a public school teacher from Nueva Ecija and Marinduque. He has 8 siblings. Pangilinan completed his primary and secondary education at Las Salle Hills in 1977 and 1981, respectively. During school breaks, his father regularly assigned him and his siblings tasks in their family businesses. At their Manila Pearl Furniture Factory, Pangilinan worked as a timekeeper as a child and became a project coordinator by age 19. He later earned a Bachelor of Arts in English, majoring in comparative literature from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, where he was also a varsity athlete on the UP men's volleyball team. As a freshman law student at the University of the Philippines College of Law, Pangilinan was elected chairperson of the UP Diliman University Student Council in 1986 and served as student regent on the UP Board of Regents in 1987. He was a member of Upsilon Sigma Phi. He subsequently earned his Bachelor of Laws degree from the UP College of Law. Throughout his time at UP Diliman, Pangilinan was active in the Sandigan Para Sa Mag-aral at Sambayanan, or Support for Students and the People, a student political party prominent in the anti-Marcos movement of that era. He attended and spoke at the funeral of assassinated labor leader Rolando Alalia in November 1986, issuing the statement, Kalando, sa utang ang kinabakasan, or Kalando, the future is ours. In 1997, Pangilinan moved to Massachusetts, United States, to pursue a Master of Public Administration at Harvard Kennedy School, where he graduated with a general average of a entrepreneurship. While studying at UP, Pangilinan started a fishbowl stand along Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. He later expanded it into a small business called Ita Bowls, with 3 locations, 40 steel carts, and a partnership with Nestle to serve Nestia alongside fishballs. In 2012, Pangilinan and his wife, Sharon Cuneta, established Sweet Spring Country Farm in Alfonso, Cavite, a 1.7-hectare family farm that utilizes sustainable farming practices. The farm follows organic and all-natural methods. Pangilinan said that they named it after a natural spring on the property and that it started partly out of a personal need for healthier food for their children, 2 of whom have allergies and asthma. By growing organic produce and raising free-range poultry, the Pangilinan family ensured a chemical-free diet, which is also consistent with Francis's policy interest in safe, sustainable agriculture. Over time, Sweet Spring Country Farm began selling its produce such as lettuce, kale, herbs, and root crops to organic markets and restaurants under its own brand. It also produces artisanal farm products like vinegar made from local sap and brewed coffee from its small plantation. Pangilinan has noted that even natural insecticides are made on-site. He employs local community members and often invites farmer groups to the farm for training or dialogue. In media features, Pangilinan is shown personally tending to crops or driving a tractor. The Sweet Spring Country Farm has hosted agricultural workshops and is open for educational tour. In a 2023 profile, he welcomed elderly and youth farmers from the area to his farm, underscoring that small farmers remain the best hope for feeding the nation. Pangilinan and Cuneta have invested in farm infrastructure like greenhouses and rainwater harvesting. Personal life. On April 28, 1996, Pangilinan married singer, actress, and television personality Sharon Cuneta, whom he met on a taping of his show Hoygeising. The couple has 2 daughters, including singer-songwriter Kiko, and an adopted son. Pangilinan is also the legal adoptive father of actress and singer K.C. Concepcion, Cuneta's daughter from a previous marriage, whom Pangilinan legally adopted. As of 2025, Pangilinan and Cuneta reside in Ayala West Grove Heights in Siling, Cavite. They also own condominium units in Makati. On March 11, 2024, Pangilinan filed a 10-page complaint affidavit before the Department of Justice against the YouTube channel Banggangara TV and representatives of Google or YouTube Philippines for cyberlibel after the channel accused him of domestic abuse. On May 10, 2024, Cuneta and Pangilinan jointly filed cyberlibel complaints against broadcaster Christy Furman, citing defamatory remarks concerning their personal and family affairs. In July 2025, the couple withdrew the complaints after Furman issued a public apology. Pangilinan is a first cousin of Alfonso Miranda, the father of Parokya N.I. Edgar lead vocalist Chito Miranda. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.